Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeeGee from Stables. Trying to do for us a very interesting mix of South India, North India, global. What we'll do today is plate Beetroot Poriyal, which is a very typical South Indian accompaniment to the main course, with a coconut-based sauce with steamed rice. For that, we'll go ahead and do this dish for you today.
Grate 2 cups of beetroot. In hot oil, add mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Urad dal, it's a lentil in the north, 1 teaspoon. Some asafoetida, a pinch. Chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon. Saute it well in hot oil. Add chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Curry leaves is a very interesting herb we have. Brings out a very typical flavor of South Indian dishes. To that, add the grated beetroot. Season it well with some salt. Toss it well. And now is the time to add another interesting ingredient to this is crushed roasted peanuts. Drop in half a cup of water and cook it. While that's happening, let's move to the sauce. In hot oil, add mustard, curry leaf, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, some green chili, salt, and 200 milliliters of coconut milk. Bring it to a boil.
A very important part of cooking is to keep checking how the product is coming along. I'm going to have a quick taste to see the seasoning of this very flavorful soup that we built with coconut as a base. Yes, the salt is coming out and all the ingredients of asafoetida, curry leaf, it's all coming out very well. I could either strain it or serve it without straining it, but for today's plating, we'll strain this soup.
We now get on to the most interesting part is plating this dish. So let's put steamed rice in a mold, douse that with the beetroot poriyal that we have made on top and pour the sauce around it. Already looks beautiful. And then my crowning glory is to add this very nice crispy spicy potato chips on top of this dish. Makes it look nice and brings out a whole different angle to this dish. Hope you guys enjoy this. Cheers.